Hello, this is Pam with Pamshairexpo. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the knotted braid. So what we're gonna do is just take hair from around the back. We're going to tie it in a knot, or just say we're just gonna tie it. We're gonna loop it in the back, and we have the hair right here in our hand. So what we're gonna do is take a little bit more on the sides, come back around to the top, tie it in the knot. Take it on the bottom again. Take more hair from the side, tie it in the knot at the top, and we're just gonna continue this on down. Sort of reminds you a little bit of the fishtail braid, but we're just tying this one. If you want to go all the way to the bottom, that's left up to you. Most people don't, because you can see where the hair starts to really get uneven. So most people stop at in the middle. So I just pretty much wanted to just show you how to do it. And as always, you can put your little something at the top like that for your ponytail. But this is the knotted braid ponytail. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I love you and peace.